So changing your altitude can change your attitude. The program began as a result of being accepted into the CMS Foundation's first innovation cohort. The project was creating a drone course to provide a way for students to be able to graduate with a pilot's license. So this year is the first year that we've had the program, and about 10 students who are going to be taking their pilot's exam in May. And then starting in the fall for next year, it's going to become a CTE curriculum course. And you take this class, you have your pilot's license, you take a marketing class, you take a business class, and you have the basis of a small business. And it also potentially provides like a different pathway or a different perspective of, what am I going to do after high school? So the idea behind the innovation cohort that the foundation put out was what schools could be. We have a sports marketing course. We also have a journalism course. So now you have aerial footage. So that changes the perspective and the way that you talk about an event, because now you're not just seeing it from a horizontal perspective, but you're able to see it from more of a vertical perspective. Like with the marching band, you want to see what your halftime show looks like. One of the coaches, they want to get a different perspective of, running some plays or, watching a practice, or partnership with ROTC with thermography and thermal imaging, or with the computer science program. We do have another type of drone that's codable. So that would be a way for the computer science kids, have like an obstacle course that they would have to pilot through, but it would be coded, to where they would do it without touching the controls. So there's ways to make it apply to other curriculum and to other activities going on campus, but we're able to get things from different perspectives and to show a different side of Hopewell.